Hello and welcome. As the top web programming language, JavaScript is in high demand, making it challenging to find the right developer for your project. In this video, we discuss the best ways to hire a JavaScript developer. We will share some of our own hands-on advice on how to hire developers cost-effectively and fast. To learn more, follow the link below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get started. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world, especially for web development. In fact, it is not just popular but also a powerful language that has transformed the way web applications are built. Thanks to its versatility, developers can use JavaScript to build everything from interactive UIs to complex web applications. JavaScript in many ways is like a key that opens doors for you all across the world of technology. Skilled JavaScript developers can create complex applications that are both visually appealing and highly functional, helping businesses to enhance their online presence and improve user experience. With the rise of web-based applications and the increasing demand for seamless online experiences, the value of hiring a skilled JavaScript developer has only continued to grow. If you are looking to hire a JavaScript developer, there are a few things you need to consider. You need to decide on the hiring model. Outstaffing versus in-house hiring is one of the most important choices to make when it comes to engaging programmers in your startup. Each approach has its pros and cons and needs to be considered carefully before being implemented by your startup. In-house development is ideal for companies that want to retain talent and build a team of developers that work together on a daily basis. In-house teams are also great for projects that require constant communication and collaboration, which can be difficult to achieve when working with remote developers. However, in-house development can be expensive, and you need to provide your team with office space, equipment, and benefits. On the other hand, IT outstaffing offers more flexibility, and you only pay for the hours they work. This model gives companies the opportunity to quickly find the necessary specialists, scale internal teams for the time period required, and independently control the development process. What's more, you get an opportunity to benefit from engaging programmers from specific regions. The procedure from interviewing developers to hiring them can take from 3 days to 2 weeks. That's lightning fast. For many projects, budget is the primary driver of staffing model decisions. Outstaffing doesn't limit you to a certain location, allowing them to reach offshore talent. For example, hiring JavaScript developers from Ukraine can save up to 40% of a budget compared to hiring ones of equal expertise in Western Europe or the USA. Also, you don't need to worry about any additional costs, such as workplace organization, health insurance fees, and tax payments. After 3 to 6 months of work on an application or software, you can either fire the JavaScript developers or lessen their amount if you choose outstaffing. No need to deal with dismissal or with paying for the bench. In addition, outstaffing provides highly skilled developers. The services and competition of many great outstaffing agencies or specific platforms are guarantees that you will hire the right professional. At Voypost, for example, we use a multi-factor screening process that includes a review of more than 60 hard and soft skills, test assignments, live coding tests, and interviews. This professional approach allows you to choose from the top 5% of JavaScript developers to hire remotely. For a better search of remote developers, we have created a special tool, Voypost Talent Pool. The tool was implemented by startup owners and developers, which helped to consider the pains of both clients and talents. Using the Voypost Talent Pool offers several advantages when it comes to finding and hiring top talent. One key advantage is that the talent pool is already pre-screened and vetted, which saves time and resources compared to traditional recruiting methods. Additionally, Voypost has a large and diverse pool of candidates, which increases the likelihood of finding a candidate with the right skills and experience for the job. Finally, the platform allows for seamless communication and collaboration between employers and candidates, ensuring a smooth hiring process. You can hire the professional you need in as little as a week. Let's dive into the process of hiring JavaScript developers with our tool. Voypost Talent Pool has a separate list of JavaScript developers available for hire. You can easily filter this list by JavaScript frameworks, stacks, experience, industries, and types of IT projects. Each developer card contains detailed information about their skills, experience, portfolio, and education. To start hiring JavaScript developers, all you need to do is to click the Hire Now button in the upper part of the developer's profile or the developer's preview card. Then, you fill out our contact form with your name, email, and optionally your phone number. After submitting the form, an engagement manager from Voypost will get back to you to clarify the project details and schedule an interview with the developer you selected. If you are satisfied with the candidate, it's time to sign the contract. We agree on the duration of the hire, payment terms, start date, and other details. Everything is agreed upon. It's time to start. Provide the developer with access to the necessary tools and resources to start working. By following these steps, you can find the right JavaScript developer for your startup using Voypost Talent Pool. To sum up, in-house development offers a more collaborative and team-oriented environment that can lead to increased communication and higher productivity. However, it can also be more expensive and limit the talent pool to a specific geographic location. Remote development, on the other hand, provides access to a larger pool of talent and can be more cost-effective, but can also lead to communication challenges and difficulty in maintaining team cohesion. Ultimately, the decision between in-house and outsourced development depends on the specific needs and goals of the organization. Finding the right developers for your project can be challenging, but with Voypost's talent pool, you can simplify the process and find highly skilled professionals fast. To learn more about hiring JavaScript developers and building successful development teams, check out the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more insightful content on software development and technology. See you.